Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to Crypto Prediction Today or Bitcoin Price Prediction or Bitcoin Forecast. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. And in that video, guys, we are going to take you here in the daily. We're going to analyze for you the Bitcoin, what it's doing in the daily time frames. So if you are a Bitcoin investor or a crypto investor, you need to choose the daily. Then we go into 4 hours for swing trading. We analyze for you here in the 4 hours. Then we go into 30-minute, guys. We analyze for you there. So make sure to watch all the video from the start till the end and don't skip any part. So let's start, guys. So as you see here, guys, the daily candle, what it done here today, it's showing us it going up, but it's still early for it. Still a little bit because that candle is left for it 7 hours to the market to finish. But also we need to make a close eye here at that level here. If that candle close above it like that here, it's going to give us a continuation pattern because look at it, the green one here and that tree here. Then it came that green candle here, but it's need to came a big candle with volume, and down here the volume, it doesn't show that, guys. The volume down, it's showing something different. Look at it. So the volume down is showing is getting lower and lower and lower. And today is Sunday, guys. So when the daily candle finishes, I'm going to come back to you to analyze for you even in the weekly time frame. So if there is any buying or opportunity or investing opportunity. So here in the daily, guys, what else we said here? We said we got here that inside bar, that 2 candles, that one and that one. That's what else we said. Then we said we need the market to break either down here or either up here. Till now, also we're still far away from that 2 levels. And another levels we got here in the daily. We got that one where we are now here. Second one, we got that one here. So we need to make a close eye at them. If the market is going to break that one here and it will go up till here. Till now also is still sideways here. And that's normal because today is Sunday, guys. By the way, yes, you, my friend, are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Us, guys, we put in for you every day 2 videos. Every day 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So like that, you're going to be very, very, very well updated about what the Bitcoin doing right now. It's not something hard, my friend. Just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all. So like that, when we put in something new, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is it in the first comment, because on Telegram you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. So here in the daily, guys, we don't got nothing special here. Also we are sideways, so there is nothing yet till the candle of Monday started. Then also we're going to come back to you. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what is it there or if there is any swing trading opportunity. So let's go into the 4 hours, guys. Here in the 4 hours, guys, where also we enter long. We enter long here. You remember it. We enter in that candle here, that one. We break that one because here in the 4 hours we used to have here that triangle, guys. To get the target of a triangle, you just came here. You draw it like that. The place where it's break, you make it like that. So it's going to go till here, till that supply and demand zone here. That where is it need to be the target of you. Stop loss, we put it down here. Tell now what the market is showing to you guys here. I tell it to you the last Friday, I told you we're going to stay here sideways. And that's what the market showing here. It's staying sideways here. And now what it's giving us here. Look at here and here, guys. What the market give you here. The market it give you here a flag, guys. Yes or no? You see it or no? Now we need to wait in the market to break higher here. And we bring in that line here. That one. And we put it as a target, but it need to continue and to break here for us to enter long. But also we enter long from here. Till now also we are in. But the one is a continuation pattern, guys. Yes or no? And I showed you yesterday we got a hidden divergence in the last video. You can see it there. A hidden divergence is a continuation pattern or a continuation price action. Let's make it like that. Now we got here a flag. Even that one is a continuation pattern, but we need to wait in the market to come to break here. The top here. If it doesn't, there is no entry yet. Picture is too clear, guys. And the levels we got here in the 4 hours where they are. We got that one here at the first level. Second level, we got that one here. When we reach here, in that level, we're going to take some profit, guys. Here in that level, we're going to take some profit. It might tomorrow, Monday, you're going to see the market falling or going up. We don't care. Us, we analyze and we waiting where we're going to take the profit. That's it. We enter from here, from that candle here. The one, and we are waiting the market to go higher, guys. That's it. That's the analysis of us. And here I showed it to you before. We got here a head and shoulder here, that one, if you remember it here. When it's breaking here, it is the same candle as we entered from it. You just came here, you bring that line here and you put it like that. So the take profit it needs to be here for the head and shoulder, here in that level here. But us, we don't enter because of the head and shoulder, us we enter because of that triangle here, guys. Everything is too clear, guys? By the way, yes, you, my friend. I know you are a subscriber. Do you smash the like button? Go ahead and do it, please. Helping us, guys. You know that channel without you, it can growing up. So please support us. It's not something hard. Just pause the video now, smashing that like button, writing down a comment, support us, guys. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend, and I appreciate all the help I get from you guys. Now let's go into our indicators with the same for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, yesterday I show you here, we got here a hidden divergence. Yes or no? But that one is a hidden divergence, yes. But we need the Bitcoin to come, or the price to come and to break for us that last high, which is here. For the hidden divergence, for you to enter, it's need that one to come and to break up. Till now, even that one, if it doesn't break that, it doesn't mean nothing, that hidden divergence. I'll tell you that. And here, also look where we are. We are now, whereas the bulls, the controlling, guys. I mean, the bulls, they still powerful. Yes or no? And here, we enter here to that place where both of them being equal. Then they came out. But the volume is very low, guys. There is no volatility in the market. And here in the top, that one, we got here that downtrend, all the divergence will push down all that Bitcoin because people they been with us. Also we enter in that before the collapse of FTX, also we enter short and we're taking all that profit down, guys. Now we need to wait in that one to come and to break here. Picture is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see our other indicator what it's saying. That one here, that's why also we enter long. We used to be here at the oversold area in a stronger supply and demand zone, and we got here a price action when it came and breaking here. Also we enter. Now what shall we do? Also we still here in the middle. We don't need to do nothing, guys. We need to wait in that indicator of us to come upward here to the overbought area, guys. When it's going to come to the overbought area, I'm going to come back and to update you. And when the daily candle finish it, I'm going to come back to update you. So if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos, guys. And for long-term trading, guys, what else we said? We said, look with me here, very, very close what I'm going to tell you. Look here, what you have here. You have here a very stronger supply and demand zone. Look at it. It's been reacting like a very stronger support. Now when we break it, we came down here, and now that support, it's become a resistance here. It's become a resistance, guys. Now for us to enter long for positional trading, it's need to come and to break here and to enter here in that zone. Why? I show you before, what I told you before. In the wake of, guys, I told you we got that level like that, and that breaking down here, that one, for us to enter long, it's need to come back inside here. If it came back inside, that is going to be the bottom of that bear market, guys. If it's not, we are going to head for another crash, guys. But for swing trading, also we enter from here till here. Here we're going to take some profit, guys. Picture is too clear, guys. Now it's going to 30 minutes to see what is it there for picture to be more clear to you. Here we are in 30 minutes. The last video here in 30 minutes. What I told you. You can find it still in the channel, the last video. I told you we got here a channel like that. I told you if it's break up, you enter long. It's break up here, you enter long. Now you are in profit. Where I told you need to take profit, I told you need to take profit here. Because you are in Saturday and Sunday, there is no volume, guys. Told you here to take profit or to take some profit. And here what the market giving you, guys. Look with me here. Here like that and like that. It give you here a head and shoulder, guys. You see it or not? Where is the neckline? The neckline is here. If it came up breaking higher here, Bitcoin it will go more higher, guys. So that level where I told you to take profit here, the one here, you take some of the profit, guys, here. You take some of the profit and you move the stop loss to protect yourself. Even now you need to protect yourself because now you are in profit, guys. Picture is too clear. Now let's see our indicator, what it's saying for picture to be more clear to you, guys. Our indicator, as you remember, also used to be here at the oversold area. I show you here, that channel here. I told you when it's breaking, you enter long. It's break here, you enter long. Now you need to start protecting yourself, my friend. At that time, you need to start protecting yourself. Why? Our indicator, it started entering here at the overbought area, guys. Picture is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, guys. See you after the daily candle. Finish it. Bye for now, guys.